What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Reese the River Monster, man. Back at you again with another one. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing on my Dr. Fish Salt Tiger reel, spinning reel. I'm so excited, man. I hope y'all excited. It's really a saltwater reel, but the fish I fish for, like I said, like flatheads, they're pretty big and strong. You want to have something strong enough to reel them in and good durability. And I've been hearing nothing but good things about this reel. It's another guy that posted an unboxing as well that I watched. Yeah, it looked very nice. So I hope y'all enjoy. We're gonna get to it. Open this up for y'all. It just came like 30 minutes ago. I couldn't wait. I was so excited when I seen the, oh, you can get them off Amazon too. I paid like $100 for this one, but it's 12,000. It's a big boy. You gotta have something strong enough and big enough to reel what I personally fish for in. So let's see what we working with, man. Happy that y'all here with me. And I just wanted to show this, share this experience with y'all. It's another one, this the knob. You can put it on the left or right side. Comes with a bag. That's the one thing I like about Dr. Fish, man. They give you like tote bags. Just in case if you like me, I like to take care of my stuff. So if it scratches, on accident, I can't control that, but I like to take care of my things. And I don't like to scratch up my reels and fishing poles, but I'll sit this to the side. Dr. Fish, show y'all one more time. Salt Tiger, 12,000. And the last Dr. Fish that I shared with y'all, it's still working good, man. It's still in good condition. It still looks brand new. I've caught a couple flatheads off of it. Pretty strong. Reels in smooth, casts out smooth. So yeah, it works. I like it. So I'm gonna let you guys see this. It's just so nice. Yes. It has the I'll call it a doorknob knob. This is so nice. Tighten this thing up. And it's ambidextrous, so you can put it on the left side or the right side. I'm right-handed, but I like to reel in with my left. It's kind of weird, but it's just comfortable to me. Like I drive with my left hand, I carry things in my left hand, but I'm right-handed. I don't know what that's about, but this thing is beautiful. Shout out to Dr. Fish. Wow. You can tell the spool is like, it's long for better casting. This is so nice. It definitely feels like very like durable. You will literally have to abuse this thing to like mess it up, which I don't do that. I take care of my things. It's very smooth. Very smooth. I like this. Yes. This thing is beautiful. Again, it's called a Dr. Fish Salt Tiger. I'm going to be putting this on a, I'll probably put it on my 15-foot ugly stick. I got a big water ugly stick. I've caught flatheads off that too. Had my rod, the 15-footer bent down. So like that let me know that you got to have some heavy duty, like some heavy duty stuff to catch them. So I'll let y'all see it one more time. Show y'all all around. I love the gold, man. The gold is so amazing.
Thank you.
So amazing.
What color are you gonna put that on?
I just was telling him I was gonna probably put it on my 15-footer. It's just so nice.
Try it out tomorrow.
You know I'm gonna try it out tomorrow.
Well, you sitting there looking so amazing. I walk in, I said, thank you. Talk about your fish are real.
Right.
It's nice though. You should find see if you can find a pole that color.
Well, my big water kind of this color. I mean, it's like black and like a goldish yellow, but I think it'll be fine with that one. I'm so happy about this. Like I'm very satisfied. Again, shout out to Dr. Fish, man, for making some of the best reels. Like this reel, I will buy these before a $600 reel because just the quality of the reels, like from Dr. Fish, are amazing. So shout out to them. I love this knob, dude. It's so smooth. So smooth. I got to get ready for work soon, man. I got to do a 12 hours, so I wanted to share this with y'all first before then. I hope y'all enjoy, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe because I'm definitely going to be working hard, to show you guys content, show you guys catches, different areas that I fish in, different sizes fish. So please just like, share, subscribe. You can add me on TikTok, Reese _ the River Monster, or Reese _ River Monster on TikTok. It's just Reese the River Monster, no spaces, on YouTube. You can find me on YouTube, so look me up, man. So hopefully we catch some big ones with this, man. I'm glad you guys joined and hope you have a blessed day. I'll show y'all one more time and I'm out. Salt Tiger, Dr. Fish Salt Tiger. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Have a blessed day.